Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on June 22nd launched the Scholars for Outstanding Undergraduate Talent 2.0 program, an initiative aimed at supporting meritorious undergraduate students and providing them with international learning opportunities. The program was jointly organized by the State Higher Education Department and the British Council at the Vidhana Soudha Conference Hall in Bengaluru. As part of the initiative, 30 outstanding undergraduate students have been selected to travel to the United Kingdom, where they will gain academic exposure and experience life in the country from June 27th to July 11th. Speaking at the launch event, D.K. Shivakumar highlighted the importance of education in transforming lives and empowering young people. He said that investing in youth is the best investment in Karnataka's future and emphasized that programs such as Scout are designed to ensure that talent determines opportunity. The Chief Minister also reaffirmed that the government's commitment to expanding opportunities for students, helping them to broaden their horizons and enabling them to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Encouraging the selected students to make the most of the opportunity, D.K. Shivakumar urged them to learn with curiosity, return with new ideas and contribute towards building a stronger Karnataka and a stronger India. So viewers, do you think programs like Scout 2.0 can help Karnataka's students compete on a global stage? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.